Hey friends, welcome to FX Yogi. In today's video, let's learn about the dollar smile theory. This theory dissipates three main scenarios directing the behavior of the US dollar. Here is a simple illustration. Scenario 1: USD strengthens due to risk aversion. The first part of the smile shows the US dollar benefiting from risk aversion, which causes investors to flee to safe haven currencies like the US dollar and the Japanese yen. Since investors think that the global economic situation is shaky, they are hesitant to pursue risky assets and would rather buy up safer assets like US government debt, US treasuries, regardless of the condition of the US economy. In order to buy US treasuries, though, you need USD. So, this increased demand for USD to buy US treasuries caused the US dollar to strengthen. Scenario 2: USD weakens to new low due to weak economy. Dollar drops to a new low. The bottom part of the smile reflects the lackluster performance of the greenback as the US economy grapples with weak economic fundamentals. The possibility of interest rate cuts also weighs the US dollar down. Although, if other countries are also expected to cut interest rates, then this might be less of a factor since it's all about expectations of the future direction of interest rate differentials. This leads to the market shying away from the dollar. The motto of USD becomes sell, sell, sell. Another factor is the relative economic performance between the US and other countries. The US economy may not necessarily be horrible, but if its economic growth is weaker than other countries, then investors will prefer to sell their US dollars and buy the currency of the country with the stronger economy. It is kind of like if you owned a NBA team and had Reggie Miller as your star player, all of a sudden a healthy Michael Jordan is available. Obviously, you would trade Miller for Jordan because, on a relative basis, Jordan is a better performing player. It's not that Reggie Miller sucks, but there's just a better alternative at that moment. Now, if you make the trade and all of a sudden Michael Jordan has a season ending injury and Reggie Miller just so happens to be available, then you know what to do. Dump. Add Jordan for Miller time. See, it's all relative. Scenario 3: USD strengthens due to economic growth. The dollar appreciates due to economic growth. Lastly, a smile begins to form as the US economy sees the light at the end of the tunnel. As optimism picks up and signs of economic recovery appear, sentiment towards the dollar begins to pick up. In other words, the greenback begins to appreciate as the US economy enjoys stronger GDP growth and expectations of interest rate hikes increases relative to other countries. Let's take a look at the dollar smile theory in reality. As you can see, due to the global pandemic, which has caused a lot of economies all over the world to suffer, the US dollar is acting as a safe haven currency. All countries, including the US, are not doing so great. But if the economies from the rest of the world can improve and start to grow faster than the US economy, then expect the US dollar to weaken. The key is relative economic growth. If growth from other countries is growing, but the US economy is growing even faster, then the US dollar will swing upward to the right side. So, will the dollar smile theory hold true? Only time will tell. In any case, this is an important theory to keep in mind. Remember, all economies are cyclical. They strengthen, then they weaken, they strengthen, then they weaken, and repeat. The key part is determining which part of the cycle the US economy and then compare how it's doing against the rest of the world. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye bye.